Okay, so I'm going to go over an example with you guys on how to fill out your cloud graphic organizer. So I'm going to start with the cirrus clouds here. So cirrus comes from a word meaning. So I'm going to flip to my textbook page, and it is page 124. That has some of this cloud information, and cirrus clouds are right there. It says they're wispy, feathery clouds are called cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds come from a word meaning a curl. Okay, a curl. Then you'll just fill in that right there. Go ahead and highlight your answers just so it's a little easier to read. Okay, so what does this cloud look like? So we'll go back to our textbook pages. They look like wispy, feathery clouds. Cool. So that is all you need to fill that in. Now, what other clouds are associated with this type of cloud? Okay, so then this we have to do a little more investigating for. So we're going to looking for that root word of cirrus. And then if we go to this, on page 125, cirrocumulus clouds. So that's going to be a type of cloud that is associated with our cirrus clouds. So cirrocumulus clouds, which look like cotton balls, often indicate that a storm is on their way. So all you need to write for this one is cirrocumulus clouds. Okay, what altitude will you find this type of cloud? Okay, so we're going back to our cirrus clouds. And it has a handy little measurement tool on the side here, and that shows the altitude. So our cirrus clouds are found between about 12 and 13 kilometers. Or you could also say, if you read the text here, cirrus clouds form at high altitudes, usually above 6 kilometers, and at low temperatures. Okay. So let's put above 6 kilometers. And if you want to put these in a full sentence, you can find cirrus clouds above 6 kilometers. Okay. So the last column, what type of weather is associated with this type of cloud? Let's go back to our page. And this last line here, they are made of ice crystals and indicate fair weather. Okay, so fair weather is associated with this type of cloud. Make sure we highlight our answers, or you can type them in a different color too, whatever works for you. Okay, and that's all you need to do. And then you'll do the same thing with the cumulus and the stratus clouds. All right, have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.